Target Anywhere and Target Data Discovery are web services that require Internet Information Services to be running. Now let's check it on this computer. So if I open up a URL directly on localhost, indeed, yes, I already got Internet Information Services running. So that was just a check. Now to see how this one has been installed, I have to go through Control Panel, Programs, turn Windows features on or off. And now this one is a Windows Server 2016, so everything is handled through roles here. So let's go through the role setting steps here. And down here we can see that the web server IIS has already been installed, and most of the settings here are actually default settings, so maybe you don't need to change anything. But however, let's see the most important things here. For example, common HTTP features here with default document and maybe static content as well. Make sure that these have been checked. And a few more default settings with regard to health and performance. Now in security settings, you may need to activate Windows authentication like I've done here. And a bit further down, application development settings here. Make sure that these two have been installed, the ASP.NETs. So those are probably the minimum requirements for your Internet Information Server. Now with regard to features, you need to have these two checked, .NET Frameworks. And in here, in the Windows Communication Foundation settings, make sure that you have HTTP activation and TCP port sharing installed as well.